This is Damon with Envisionet. So you've got a security certificate on your website, which works just fine, until you go to another section of that same website and you notice that the security certificate is no longer secure. And why is that? Well, today I'm going to show you how to identify what the cause is and how to fix it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is click on the ellipse option here. And under More Tools, we're going to go to Developer Tools. And in our developer pane, you can already see that we have a warning here related to mixed content. So when you have a security certificate on your website, you can't mix content, say an image that points back or references an unsecure page. Otherwise, you're going to get a security alert similar to what you see here. So in order to understand and identify what's causing the problem, what we need to do, as it shows you here, is we need to reload the page in order to get more detail. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, once the developer pane reloads here, we should be able to dig deeper into what's going on. Okay, so we're presented with a link here. I can click on that, and it's going to show us exactly what's causing our problem. So you can see the first image here that's being referenced is pointing back to an unsecure URL. Likewise for the image beneath it, also pointing back to an unsecure URL. So if you want to know exactly what those images are, you can click those and it'll show you exactly what images are causing the problem. So pretty simple problem to solve. What we essentially need to do is just replace these two images, either with a new image altogether, or make sure that we have the proper images uploaded into the media section of our WordPress site. And we'll just re-add those images in. So we'll delete what's there currently and just re-add it. All right, so let's go ahead and close out of our developer pane here. And then we're going to use Elementor, which is the page builder that we like to work with. And we're going to edit our header in order to replace the image that's causing one of our issues. Okay, so I've opened up the header portion of our website, and I've browsed to the image section here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Remove. Okay, so we've now removed and eliminated our problem image, and we're going to add the image back in. So we insert the image here, and let's go ahead and update our header. Okay. And if you recall, we had one more image on the page causing some problem as well, and that was this guy down here. So again, we're going to edit with Elementor, and we're going to browse down to the section of this page in order to edit and replace the image, just like we did in the header element. And I apologize, my connectivity today does seem to be a little slow, so bear with me here while the page loads up. But you get the idea. Essentially what we did in the header, we're going to repeat down here for this image as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click into that section. And we're going to browse over to our image here. We're going to delete that guy. And we're going to add it back in. And if for some reason, of course, if your image isn't in your library, you would just re-upload that image, or if you wanted to add a new one entirely, you could do that as well. So found our guy here. Go ahead and insert that. And let's update our page. And then what we're going to want to do, just to confirm that everything worked the way it was supposed to, we'll go back to our page. And you can already see the proper SSL lock is back, and we no longer have our security warning. And likewise, if we ran our developer tool option again, we should see that, yep, we're getting a clean bill of health as well here. So that's all you have to do to correct your SSL security warnings related to mismatched content. Hope this was helpful to you guys. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And please add any comments as well that you'd like to see for future videos, and we'd be happy to make those for you as well. So thanks for stopping by, and until next time, everybody take care.